She threw out her Dior mascara for this. Ooh. Ooh. I'm so ready for spring. Hello, annyeong, this is Yuhi from One Eye Beauty, the place to find all the Korean beauty info in one eye. Is it spring yet where you are? Looks like spring is coming here in UK, and when it comes to this time of the year, I fancy adding something new like pink or peach shades into my makeup collection. At this perfect timing, Stylevana has sent me their 5-star makeup edit March box. Thank you so much, Stylevana. I always want to try their Vana box. It features a mix of top products from viral K-beauty and J-beauty brands like TirTir, Etude, Aprilskin, Holika, and more. I finished my basic skincare and only have the sunscreen and primer on right now, so I can't wait to get ready with you guys whilst reviewing all these great products. Before we kickstart, don't forget my Stylevana discount code for you guys over here. Enjoy 10 to 50% off discount at Stylevana, the place selling diverse range of Asian beauty products at most affordable prices after watching this video. And of course, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to show some love and support. 감사합니다. Thank you so much. Let's start with a product from this viral beauty brand. TirTir Mask Fit Tone Up Essence SPF 30 PA2+. This is a milky tone-up primer which I have on with me right now, and I'll apply a bit more later on to show you guys its texture. Usually any primer or sunscreen products that says tone up freaks a lot of people out, as it can be too bright on the skin or even leave a white cast. But this product didn't do any of that. You just need to control its amount. If you apply a little, it gives you a nice natural tone up glow and even skin tone. This is a lightweight and smooth tinted tone-up primer with a lovely peach tone and subtle refreshing smell. Its main ingredients are coconut fruit extract, peach flower extract, and niacinamide to moisturize and brighten the skin. It also contains other plant-derived ingredients such as okra fruit and gooseberry extract to soothe the skin. It's combined with Film Excel technology for a comfortable and breathable finish. Now let me show this on my face. You don't need to apply too much. Little goes long way. Okay, here we go. So you don't need too much of this. This peachy tone gives a nice even skin tone and gives a nice natural glow and shine. See, I'll just apply on one side to show you the difference. See, this is, I actually have a bit of this on with me already, but I've applied a bit more on here. Can you see it's a bit more glowing? Like it's a bit of a lift, natural like tone up. Yes? No? I think this side is definitely like brighter. This contains SPF 30 PA2+, but I will not be using this solely for sun protection. That is because you only need to apply a little amount of this. You've got to use a proper sunscreen under this to get the full SPF protection. I've tried this several times now, so my honest thoughts on this is that on my extremely dry skin, this can feel a little dehydrating over time. But as I told you, my skin is very dry, so those of you with normal, combination and oily skin types shouldn't have any issues. But I do love how this evens out my skin tone and gives that natural brightening effect, and look how it gives that natural glow. I think that is just superb. So I'm sure that I'll be applying this on whenever I do my YouTube video recording. In this makeup box, there were 2 cushion products. I love cushion foundations, and there were some of you asking me if I could do a review on cushions, so this is great. The cushions I'll be showing and comparing are these 2 over here. Medicube Pro Glutathione Glow Cushion SPF 50+ PA3+, and Aprilskin Hero Cushion SPF 50+ PA4+. I'll try these on right now, one on my left and the other one on my right. After applying both, I'll give you a final score on all of these categories over here and tell you which skin type I think these would suit. Medicube Glutathione Glow Cushion, don't you just love its packaging? I reckon this is to die for. I mean, look at this baby pink color, reminds me of spring, and It's just so cute. It fits right in my hand. It's easy to grab and carry around and fit into the handbag. The packaging itself has already won 5 out of 5 in my heart. This is 15 grams, priced around $23. Aprilskin has a very different look. This is more bold and chunky. It's 12 grams, but it comes with a refill. This is around $35. So this whole Vana box, which is $49.99, that comes with 2 of these cushions plus many more other products. I think this is such a great value. Medicube cushion comes in 2 shades, number 21 ivory and 23 beige. This one from the box is number 21, which may be too bright for me as my usual shade is number 23, but let's see how it turns out. Aprilskin cushion comes in 3 shades, 21 light beige, 22 pink beige, and 23 natural beige. The one I got from this box is number 23 natural beige. I think snagging this Vana makeup box with a friend even would be a great idea. Buy a box and share the right shade between the 2 of you, and there are many more to share, of course. The star ingredients in this Medicube Pro Glutathione Glow Cushion are glutathione and niacinamide, both renowned for their efficacy in brightening the skin and enhancing elasticity, complemented by collagen and adenosine to boost skin elasticity further. Additionally, this features skin-soothing antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents such as chamomile oil and tocopherol. Aprilskin Hero Cushion also contains niacinamide for skin brightening and adenosine to target fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a smoother complexion. It also features skin-soothing and calming ingredients like aloe leaf and Centella asiatica extracts. Let's start the application. First, the Medicube cushion. Oh, I so love this packaging. It's so cute. Right, enough about its packaging. Let's see what this does. Like its name, Glutathione Glow Cushion, this is designed to glow. So let's see what this does, yeah? Ooh. It's, I think the shade is slightly bright for my skin tone, but yes, it is a bit bright for my skin tone. I don't think its coverage is that great. What do you think? I've got a bit of a hyperpigmentation, like dark spots over here. Do you think it's doing a good coverage? It's not, I mean, it's not fully covering, but still gives a natural coverage and net glow. What do you think? Now it's time to apply the next one from the Aprilskin. This is supposed to be lightweight with good coverage, so I'm quite looking forward to this. As I actually had a bit of a breakout over here and there. Can you see? So it is a good time to test this. Ooh. Why does the cushion foundations, as soon as you apply, it just feels satisfying feeling, yeah? Can you see the difference? This one is more close to my natural skin tone. What do you think? Yeah, compared to my neck. Coverage wise, it's covering the pores quite well. I can see that this keeps covering my face, so I'll just do this. This one feels very lightweight. Both feels lightweight actually and very comfortable. Okay, here we go. So I've got 2 different shades on with me. Number 23 Aprilskin and number 21 Medicube. Which one's more glowing, you think? I think this one is definitely more glowing, yeah. This one gives a good coverage, natural semi-matte finish, whereas this one gives a really good dewy glowing finish, yeah. Both are quite different. Immediately after the application, both feel very comfortable on the skin. I'll leave this on until the evening to check its consistency and tell you the final scores towards the end of this video. Next, Heimish Dailism Smudge Stop Mascara. This Heimish Dailism Smudge Stop Mascara comes in 2 types, curling and volume. Last year I got this curling one in an advent calendar from another brand, and I did share a shorts video on it, and one of my subscribers, she mentioned that she threw out her Dior mascara for this. Look at it, this is the best. So what did I think about it? Like its name, this one does not smudge and it curls up really well. One of the best mascaras I've tried. So this curling one, I absolutely loved it. And this volume one from the makeup box from Stylevana, I'm really curious to find out what this one will be like. I'll be trying the volume one on my right eye and the curling on my left. Finally, it's time to add some makeup to my eyes. Now, before I start doing this, I've got to tell you all that I am not very good with makeup in general. Especially when it comes to eye makeup, I'm pretty crap. Along with my crap skills, my lashes are short and they simply don't function that well, yeah. So please bear in mind that what you're about to see will not be the same with you. Doesn't it make you feel good? You look 100 times better than an influencer. Well, I'm more of a skincare girl, as you know, not so much of a makeup, but let's see how this goes. On this side, I'm going to use the volume one. Ooh. Ooh. You can see the massive difference because I haven't put anything on my left. On my left side, I'm going to try the curling one. This curly one has a different shape to the volume one. As you can see, it's got a bit of a curly shape to it. I find this curly shape really handy because it's kind of easy to apply. Cool. So this one was the volume and this one was the curling. To be honest, I can't really tell the difference. But as I've told you, my lashes are not that sufficient to do any mascara testing, but just wanted to show you guys. So later this evening, when I tell you guys the final scores of these two cushions, I'll also tell you how sufficient these two mascaras were in terms of smudging. Next, Espoir the Brow Balance Pencil. Finally, I'll have thicker eyebrows. The color I have with me here is number 3, Soft Brown. I love its design in a unique shape. Love the vivid red color and how thin this brow pencil is. So this is two sides, one with the pencil and the other with the brush. Oh my goodness, now I feel more presentable. Next is Holika My Fave Piece Eyeshadow. The one in this Vana makeup box was number 23, Kitty Shimmering Coral Beige Eyeshadow. As I've mentioned, I'm more of a skincare girl than a makeup, but I do like shiny eyeshadows every now and again, especially before doing my YouTube video recording. I like to add a bit of a glitter. I think this is very glitter heavy. Let's see. Can you kind of tell? It's got a bit of a coral beige shadow on my eyes now. Can you see? I really like this. I feel like I'm so ready for spring. Next, Etude Dear Darling Water Tint. I've heard so much great feedback about this water tint. Apparently it absorbs super quickly and it stays on your lips forever. This water tint is available in 5 different shades, and the shade I've received from the Stylevana makeup box is Red Grapefruit. This lip tint has a quickly absorbing water texture with a popping vivid color that stays put for hours on end. I'm so looking forward to this. You know, I'm not much of a makeup girl, but I do love lip makeup. Oh my goodness, this is seriously like so watery. It almost reminds me of like a kid's watercolor paint. I need to keep this away from my boys. Yeah, they might think that this is like a water paint. Yeah. Oh my goodness, it has a really sweet fruity smell. Seriously, if you just do this, it literally just spreads out like water. So now I get this. The idea is to apply it just at the kind of at the bottom, I think, at the bottom, and just go, just do that for a bit to make it spread out like water, like flowing out. This is really different. What do you think? So it has been 8 hours since the application. I recorded this when I was feeling really sleepy, but you can see that nothing's coming off the tissue anymore. And in terms of coverage, it is covering still not too bad. You can see my dark spots here and there, but I think it's done a pretty good job. So here are my final scores for the 2 cushions. And the 2 mascaras, like its name, Smudge Stop Mascara, it really didn't smudge. The parts that look smudged are from my eyeliner, so I'm really happy with these mascaras. If you're interested in shopping for this 5-star makeup Stylevana box or the individual products I've shown you in today's video, all the shopping links will be down at the information section below, so go and check them out. And don't forget the Stylevana discount code I have for you guys. Enjoy 10 to 15% of discount at Stylevana, the place selling diverse range of Asian beauty products at most affordable prices. And please leave a comment down below which products have interested you, which ones have you tried. I'd love to hear from you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next Korean beauty video. Annyeong!